Well boys, just another little video here on the receiver. So I revamped the power supply sections in this receiver. So main changes are right here. I got the bridge rectifier removed. I got the voltage regulator that was there. I got that removed. I have the voltage doubler hooked back up here again. This transformer here is a separate power supply. This transformer feeds this rectifier, and then the rectifier then powers the voltage regulator, and the voltage regulator then powers the frequency display. And I have the frequency display running on 8 volts. 8 volts with a 8 volt regulator. See if I can zoom in on it. 7808. So, and then to eliminate the major bit of hum, well, it's the hum that was coming off the voltage doubler, I end up having to put this choke in line, in series with one side, and with the positive side, and that eliminated the noise completely. So that is the choke. So that's the actual back end of the receiver at the moment. So we've got the audio jack here, antenna, or antenna connector, that's the choke, that's the fuse, and AC plug. So still running the filament or heater off of this 6 volt transformer. So I've still got a little 6 volt power supply to build in here yet. So we're working on it. But for right now, this is the circuit, and I've had her on, had her powered up. She is pretty quiet. She's not too bad. And I'd run the audio to my realistic SA101 up here, and whatnot. She's not receiving any radio stations per se at the moment. I think the coil I got here is either too big or just, it done wrong, one or the other. But in any event, the regenerative control on the radio, which is this one, is supposed to control regenerative feedback, ain't doing anything. Actually, it's not doing a thing. So the region is not working, but we're working on it. So right now, I spent all Christmas, last 4 days playing with this thing. Actually longer than that with the videos. So at the moment, I'm going to take a little break on this one and come back to it with a fresh mind later. But I'm far from finished with it. But I got to say, it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool little receiver I got built here. If I had to say so myself, see if I can put her down. She actually got a fair bit of weight to her. She's not exactly light. So right now, this knob, and this knob is doing nothing. I'm gonna remove these two because they're too close with the two. These two are going to disappear. So I'm probably going to be down to these two. One for regenerative and one going to be volume control. I got the audio output of this thing feeding into my little 2N3904 audio amplifier that I built, and then that feeds into the SA101. But in any event, that's the receiver, and yes, I'm not sure if I mentioned in the last video, but the frequency display, the module, one thing I had to do was insulate the module from the chassis. I had to insulate it. I found that when that wasn't insulated, it was actually causing the voltage regulator on the heater to heat up for some reason and burn out, which is kind of weird. So I insulated this module, and anyway, I don't get any noise into the radio with the display running, which is good. Of course, that's the coil right there. Antenna coupling, the capacitor that's down here. So anyway, so that's it. I'm gonna put this on the shelf now for a little bit, and we'll come back to this with a fresh mind later. Anyways, I'm glad you enjoyed the video so far on this receiver. There will be more coming for sure as I figures out what I'm doing with this. I may do a frequency change or a circuit change with this, because this one's just not working. Anyway, all the best, folks, and we'll chat later. And at 63, we're out of here. All the best.